Difference between journal and professional communication. While communicating, either verbal or written, normally senders are just considering the age and designation of receiver. Weak or journal communication always creating problems and cause of back and forth communication without any benefit. Whereas, no one interested to communicate more. People required prompt feedback from right people. Professional and effective communication based on technical background of relevant field and complete knowledge of organizational structure and business process, which support to elevate you and get success within a short period of time. Some people just work hard and expect success without determining the mistakes due to weak communication. After a certain period of time, they quit in frustration and think that organization didn't recognize their efforts and abilities. But fact is that those people are late to recognize the organizations.